Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for regularly visiting my channel and checking all my video updates. I really appreciate your support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the technical analysis in various time frames from higher time frame to lower time frames. I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. You can use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting your trades. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities, but we do not provide account management service and call services. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. As I had explained in my previous video, the current trend is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. The higher and the lower ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. So we can expect a directional breakout, and I am expecting a bullish direction breakout. And when we look at the overall price action, previously the market had tested this level of 1834 and then it has fallen from this level and has taken support at the level of 1790. And you can see that previously also this level has acted as a very strong resistance. So it has to break this level of 1834 to continue any further rally on the bullish side. Currently the market is in a retracement. And I am expecting the current price action is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. So this is going to be the left hand side of the shoulder, has completed the head part, and it is actually in the process of forming the right hand shoulder. So we can expect the market to trend down and test this support level of 1768 in the future. Currently it is testing the level of 1813. So I am expecting the market to fall down and test the first level of support, which is around 1790. If it manages to break this level, we can expect a further fall and test this level of 1768. Since the market is trading within a symmetric triangle, it will be more difficult to break this symmetric triangle. So we can expect a bounce back from this area. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we notice the price action in hourly time frame, we can see that exactly at the level of 1814, the price is trying to bounce back. It is retracing, but overall when we see the price action, it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. So I am expecting it to retrace back, take support on this dynamic support of the channel pattern, and then bounce back. So as long as the price action is trading within this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. But it is finding difficult to break this level. So it has to bridge this level of resistance in order to continue its bullish trend. And when we see the price action also, previously this level was acting as a very strong support. It has formed a same consolidation over here. So this will become the next level of support when the price action falls. So it is around 1805. And we can expect the market to trend on the bullish side when the price action comes and tests this level. Even the price action breaches this support level, we can expect the next level of support to be at 1790. So bearish side we have lot of support levels, but currently the price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern. And previously also it was making a high and lower low, again high, lower high, again it made a new high. So the price action has to make a new higher high in order to continue this bullish pattern. If the price doesn't break over here, you can expect a trend reversal and bridging of this support line of the channel pattern. And if the price action breaches this resistance area, it is a confirmation of the bullish trend. So you can go on a bullish side once it breaches or crosses this level of 1818. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. The values marked in the blue color are the resistance and support levels of hourly time frame. Currently the market is trying to break this resistance level of 1814 and 1819. It is an area of resistance. Only when it breaks this area, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend, and resistance levels in this bullish trend has been marked in the blue color over here. If it doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect a retracement, and support levels are 1810 and 1804 and 1797. Up to here, the market is in a bullish trend, and only when it breaches this support level of 1790, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. As long as the price action is trading within this area, it is still a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we can notice that previously the price action has consolidated, then made a sharp bullish move, and currently also it is consolidating over here because it's a resistance zone, and I am expecting it to breach this resistance zone and continue its bullish trend. Let us see how price action goes. But when we draw a trend line and check the current price action, it is still in a bullish trend. You can notice the green trend line drawn over here. Always draw a trend line and decide on your entry and exit. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the green color are the support and resistance level in 30 minutes time frame, and current price action is trading within this resistance and support level of 1814 and 1811. Wait for the breakout on this resistance level to actually go on a bullish side trade, or we can expect a bearish trend reversal from this resistance level and you can go on a bearish side trade. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still trading within a bullish channel. So always be careful when you are taking trade against the trend. The trend reversal can happen at any moment. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, currently it is in a downtrend. This trend can change at any moment because it is a lower time frame trend. You have to always follow the higher time frame trend in order to decide on the bearish side trade or the bullish side trade. The price has taken resistance at this resistance level of 1818 and 1814. Currently it is on a retracement. As long as this trend line is holding, we cannot expect the bullish trend to start. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. The values marked in the green color are the support levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the market is on a bearish trend. Only when it breaks this resistance level or the trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. But still we have a resistance area over here. It has to break this area to actually continue its bullish trend. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button, and if you have any queries, please write it in the comment section and share this video with your friends.